Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up B4A. Getting started with B4A is a straightforward process that begins with downloading the main development environment. You'll want to visit the official website to get the latest stable version. Before you install, quickly check your computer's specifications to ensure it meets the minimum requirements for smooth operation. This initial step lays the groundwork for all your future mobile application development. Next, we'll focus on installing the essential components, Java and the Android SDK. You'll need the Java development kit, preferably version 8 or newer, as it's crucial for B4A's operation. Then, download the Android SDK, making sure to include the platform tools and at least one recent Android platform. After installation, open B4A and point it to the correct installation directories for both Java and the SDK. This ensures B4A can compile and run your applications. Now, let's get your testing environment ready by connecting a device or setting up an emulator. If using a physical Android device, enable USB debugging in its developer options. You might also need to install specific USB drivers for your computer to recognize the device. For those preferring a virtual environment, configure an Android emulator. This allows you to test your applications on various Android versions and screen sizes directly from your computer, offering great flexibility. Finally, it's time to create and run your very first B4A project. Start by opening B4A and selecting New Project to see the basic file structure. You can then add a simple line of code, perhaps to display a Hello World message to get a feel for the language. Once your code is ready, hit the Run button. B4A will compile your application and deploy it to your connected physical device or the configured Android emulator. Congratulations, you've just built your first app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.